Smart home automation products give you total control of your household through advanced technology. The best smart home automation product has high functionality and smart assistant software integration. The top 7 products are accessible and easy for Alexa, Wi-Fi, voice activation, and Bluetooth connectivity. The privacy control system is also essential when picking a smart home automation product. Here are the top 7 smart home automation products in use today. This video contains affiliate links in the description. 7. ANKI Vector Robot. The ANKI Vector Robot is one of the best automatons for the household. The robot follows you around the house, can engage in conversation, and has been programmed to avoid obstacles in the house. The robot can do everything an Alexa-enabled device can. ANKI Vector takes photos on command, plays music, makes receipts, and dances. The AI installed in ANKI Vector is functionally an excellent system that handles everything with ease. That is why the company got rid of human customer service. The help you need is all available at the Self-Serve Help Center. 6. TAOTRONICS Smart Bedroom Humidifier. TAOTRONICS Smart Bedroom Humidifier is what you get in a luxurious humidifier at a pricey tag. The water container needs refilling every 30 hours, and the ultrasonic technology prevents any noise the humidifier would make. There is also an LED screen and can be controlled by a smartphone. Even when you are not in the room or house, you can make adjustments. The humidifier also connects to Google Assistant and Alexa when purchasing a Google Home and Echo. The product also works well with distilled water since there is no passable filter. 5. KASA Smart Light Switch. The KASA Smart Light Switch is an intuitive product which connects appliances connected to a switch and remotely schedules the appliances on and off. The product turns the appliances on or off when in or out. If you travel or stay out for long, the product can schedule an on and off illusion to make it seem like you are home. The feature is called an away mode. The price is very low, and the company offers 2 years guarantees. The installation process needs some professional electrical help, and it requires the need to access a neutral. To integrate to other voice command software, you need to buy an Echo. 4. GOVEE Smart Plug Outlet. The GOVEE Smart Plug Outlet is the best value for money. The appliances that are not of smart value can become smart gadgets once they have an electrical outlet. Smartphone control via an app can also help with scheduling and energy conservation. There is an opportunity to schedule an on and off appliance months ahead. The product comes with 4 outlets and supports 50 outlets at once. The Smart Plug Outlet does not integrate with Alexa and Google Assistant unless you make an additional purchase like Google Home or Echo. 3. Echo Show 5. The display world just got exciting. The Echo Show 5 is a smart display for the bedside. A 5.5-inch screen displays all the media and essential information you need. There are television streaming properties, decent speakers, and supported by Alexa. The touchscreen is excellent for adjusting your smart home appliances like light bulbs, thermostat, security camera. The integration of other household products makes the product's value more than others like it. The Amazon Music Unlimited service is also available free for the first 4 months. 2. Google Nest Learning Thermostat. A thermostat is the best thing that happens to any home. If for any reason you get the Google Nest Learning Thermostat, then you have chanced upon the best way to control the temperature in your house. The product supports Google Assistant, Alexa. Smartphones, you can use voice control for when you are in the house, and a mobile app outside. The outside weather conditions and what temperatures you prefer are picked up by AI and adjusted to your taste without your input. There are no cables needed for this Wi-Fi connected stainless steel thermostat. 1. Amazon Echo Generation. How else can we describe an Amazon product besides calling it iconic? The craze for smart home automation can be costly, but this product is budget-friendly. That helps with getting everyone onto the new wave of household automation. The product supports Alexa and connects all other smart products. There is a speaker to give notifications whenever something goes wrong. In the case of a carbon monoxide leak, a glass shattering, or heating and cooling malfunction, the product notifies you. The nice-sounding speakers also give you an extensive play on all your favorite songs from Amazon Music and other streaming platforms. The smart home automation ecosystem is better because the Echo generation exists. The warranties and updates available even make these products your top choice. The compatibility with your other devices and home setting could be a decision maker. What are the other smart home automation products in use today? What other advanced household products do you want to see us review or make a list on? Please share your thoughts with us in the comments below.